Find the center, push down, leverage it out. Howdy everybody, just out in the backyard doing some pulling weeds. Just want to do a quick video on this puppy. I've had this for years. It's been out, I don't know how long it's been out, but I believe a long time. Pretty simple device for pulling weeds. So if you don't want to use weed killer, any other product like that, sprays and stuff, and you have the time, this is the Grandpa's weeder right there. See if we can get that in focus. I don't know if I can do it with my gloves on. I doubt it. There it is. Instructions, 3 right there with pictures. So all you got to do is center it, press it down, and then lean back on this, and I'll just pop it right out. Walk around, look for some weeds, and pull them. Find the center. Usually the hardest part is finding the center. And there you go, out. This one has multiple roots, so you might have to work on it. Yeah, there's actually 2 in 1 here, that's why. There you go. Put your foot on the arm here, on the leg, whatever you want to call it. Pops it out. Yeah, this had multiple roots, that's why. You want to get as far down as you can and get most of it, or it'll just grow back. There you go. Look at that. Oh, this one's going in my garden. Let's see if this will work on crabgrass. You got a little, looks like a nail puller on the end there. That you can use that too to dig if you want. Find the center it, push down, and then back. I highly recommend this product. I've had this for years. It just looks good because I leave it in the shed. I pretty much gave up on gardening with my back is shot. So this is soft ground here. Push down. And then if you don't want to, you can just use the back of the what I call the nail head, the nail remover. That's all I have to do. Pretty simple. Here's a stubborn, itchy one. I've got to get this pulled behind my second shed. A lot of the stuff you don't want to touch. This is soft dirt again. Soft ground. There you go. It's out. I need the exercise. You know, if it's going to walk down to our little private road on the sides there, there's some really nasty weeds. We call them goat heads. In fact, my son just repaired a couple leaks, putting some goo back in the wheelbarrow. Show you really quick. These things are nasty. If you let them mature and they harden, they hurt. Right here, this is goat's head. Goat's head. I don't know what the exact proper name for it is. Let's go ahead and go down the road and look for the bigger ones, because I think I seen them the other day. Head down to the end of the road. We're on my gravel road. I don't know if this will work on a hard, compacted road. Let's see if it'll work. Definitely hard. Got it out. Saw some down here. I think it's down. They like dry areas. If we don't find any, there is a couple other different weeds here I can see right now, because I haven't mowed. Got to mow tomorrow. I should have mowed the grass. Now I'm having trouble finding it. Tons of Russian thistle, which is an invasive species. I think my neighbor already pulled it. I swore there was one by the road. These goat's heads flatten, this morning my wheelbarrow tire, because I didn't know there was one out in front. And tires, sometimes depending on the tread of a vehicle, if it gets right in the grooves, you can poke a hole in a tire. So, but there's some other weeds here we can practice on just to show you this, and I'll close out this video. It has a big base. Popped one out, revealing the center. Push down, back out. These bigger ones will take a few strikes before you can pull them out. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video with me pulling this weed out on the side of the road. This one's a bigger one. This looks like 2-in-1, possibly. Find the center, push down, leverage it out. It is 2-in-1. Find the other center, push down, pull out.